Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna be playing the ASU 85 and I just unlocked this tank and I want to see my reaction for the first time using this tank destroyer. And that's all. Have fun! Does this thing have a fast reload? I wanna try it. Ooh, this thing has actually a decent reload. Nice! Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this tank. Is that lights? The red thing? I think that is lights. Wait, how do I night vision mode? What? What? IR spotlight. What is IR spotlight? What is changing color theme? The thermos. Oh, this is my first time having a night vision. Nice. Drink. Nice. I see one more from this point. Hello, connection to server was lost. Huh? Ooh, what? Connection to server was lost. Then I got a kill. Nice. I see a stag. Oh, what are you doing in open place like that? The reverse. It's so slow. Ganda. What the heck is that tank? Bro. Bro. There is a more modern artillery. Oh, that's a King Tiger. Just let me kill you. Yoink. Noise. I see something. One down, and this thing. This reload fast, reload fast, reload fast. I'm in open. That was a hit. They almost killed me. Nice. King Tiger down. I got this gun. That's good. Well, you're dead anyway. Okay. That's too many. Back, please, don't shoot. Yes. Going. One more. Oh no. I know this. Nice, thank you. Wait, I hit somebody. No. I love this. Okay, just go there. You're dead. It's still a non-penetration. What? That was between my tracks. Damn, that was almost close. This is what I like about the ASU because it's so low and it is a tank destroyer. They literally can't see me because I'm so low. Bro, please no. Stop there. That is a tiger. Is it looking at me? Probably. Okay, I saw one. She's directly looking at me, but you cannot kill me, bro. I'm so low. Still not penetrate. Finally. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Is that it? Join. Noise. I something. You. What? Temporary Vulnerable. Invulnerable. Doink. Nice. 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 Ooh. Fuck my life, bro. Fuck my life. Your dead body. Ooh. Nice. I think that is something. I'm gonna go here. Nice. Ooh. That was something. Doink. Nice. Yeah, I saw something. I'm gonna be a good teammate for today. I'm gonna capture the A point. I see something. I see another one. Woohoo! Nice. I love this. I love this. Why is there so many artillery, bro? Stop with the artillery stuff. There's so many artillery. Please don't look at this way. Please don't look at this way. Yoink. Nice. Ah, no. Another one. Oh, please. Ah. And that's all. Nappers out.